Morning. I've had 2 or 3 days away for you to give you peace, to give you peace. Yes. Before I go any further, I apologise. My head at the time's that much going on in it. Planes, trains, and fences, right? I sometimes forget, and I apologise to anybody if I get to give a shout out to you, right? I do apologise. Now, I'm going to say hello to Alan Rennie and his daughter Alma, who I spoke to, and I done a wee job the other night there. For good to see you, Alan, again. And they tell me at 82 or 81 you're coming back taxi now. Find that hard to believe. Anyway, that's not what the video was about this morning, but it is and it isn't. Hello, Alan. Right.
The message to Alana.
Oh, and it was for Alana, your daughter. So your daughter Alana sent the message on to give you a shout out, thanking the mum and dad. Never got a cup of tea the other night there, mind you, Alan. Disappointed. Mind you paid me on. That's a first. Anyway, put with that, I've marked this bit of wood, and there's the post there. See the post there? That's 3.5 and 3 feet. That's it marked there. Right, they're 10 foot, 400 metal post, 4 mil, right? 4 or 5, I can't remember, I think they're 5 mil actually, right? So they metal posts, they're going to get in the ground, right? And then we've marked this here at 42, which is 3.5 feet, right? And watch this, right? So that says well below our level now. Come on over here to see what we've got to do today. So there, that's one hole in, 2, 4, 6, 8 buckets out so far, right? Right, you see right? So we've got to break down this spoon here. You see that we've took out already and the hole's not complete, right? So we've got to get down below. So what you do is we've dug down below that, right in below there, and we're still more to go. So this is going to be quite a hard one today because you'll see it's quite that. I mean, that's, oh no, I'll just tell you the new. That's a foot wide, and then approximately it's going to be about 18 inches deep of brick butt foundation, because it's because of the horses across the road. They used to run away and jump on top of the wall. So they did. And this is up here. This is a horse-proof fence that I never did. So there you go. And there's another wee thing I thought I'd go to show you. You don't really realise. And that's for the horses to drink in when they run away. See that there? And they can also go in there for a swim. You with me? The day. Whoa. There you are. There's Trigger. Right. See that there, folks? This is what you encounter. That is the services going into this house. See that pipe there? That's a water pipe. You've got to watch. And you see what I'm saying? So we've got to go down and buy that. These are things that we encounter all the time. And you wonder how I forget things. I've got to hold my head and hold it all in. You realise how hard it is. Anyway, yeah, again, keep shouting at me, keep waving at me, keep tooting at me, keep coming up and saying hello. And sorry to that lady for coming the other day there. The next time